There's a reason I'm staying in real estate for over 28 years. Let's find it out. Hello everyone, I'm Amenny from One Real Estate Group. Minutes away from my office, and I'm bringing my whole team here to celebrate our success for one of the projects that we did, and we are now at the Wen restaurant near to our office. So now I would like to show a couple of the condo nearby to my office, and hopefully the deal can People wonder how I moved from factory workers, office admin, and waitress to becoming a successful entrepreneur. Let me tell you why I stay in real estate for over 28 years, and if you still wonder and can't find your directions. Due to my desire to have more time and more freedoms so that I can be with my family. Throughout my journey in real estate, I'm able to travel to different countries and build my wealth through investing in property investment. I personally also face a challenge to move from a fixed salary to a full commissions. My family members feel that this is a risky career and they do not support the move. I also face the challenge of meeting and talking to strangers because I do not master communication and lacking of confidence and knowledge of the property field. An endless source of benefit in real estate career, it helped me to resolve my problem by helping me to pay off my family debts in the short periods. My family see it and they join me in this career. These are the few reasons why I'm staying in the real estate for the last 28 years. If you want to make a change in your life, don't forget to click the link above or the below to join our upcoming career preview. I'll see you in our sessions.